Plumbers, we're going live Thursday, June 20th at 3 p.m. This is going to be plumbing heavy, but pool guys, you might want to stick around and watch this stuff. Why? Because we have a lot of pool guys in the seasonal areas of the United States that are off for a couple of months out of the year, and they're doing plumbing leak detections. We're going to go over how to do these plumbing leak detections, how they get done. We talk about our training. We talk about marketing. We talk about the equipment. We're going to talk about plumbing, how to isolate, how to walk these buildings, how to use the equipment, different equipment for different situations, how to shut off between street and house, how to isolate a pool autofill off of a house's system. Does it have separate buildings? How we walk a property. Plumbers that aren't doing leak detection need to be on this so they can know how to add leak detection to your services. During the live, we're going to do live questions as we go. You have a question, put it down. It's going to get asked. Looking forward to you all being there. Click the link below to register to watch the live webinar.